welcome to my channel. Today we go to drawing and coloring Peppa Pig with baby Alexander, her cousin. Now I draw this Peppa Pig. We paint the face, the nose, 2 ears. We paint the eyes, I draw her mouth and a wonderful meal in hand. Now we paint the body. I draw her arms. Then I draw spoon and other hand. Let's draw a baby Alexander. First, we draw the nose. We paint the face. 2 ears. We paint the eyes. I draw her mouth. Now we paint the body, hands, and her other arms. I draw chair for hands.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now shoes. Now we are going to beautiful drawing with black marker. Let's start coloring. We paint Peppa Pig's nose, ears and face light pink. For the mouth, we use 2 different colors, red and pink. Light pink and light pink. Body is red. Blue, light orange, green, hair is violet, light pink, for the mouth we use 2 different colors, red and pink. Body's Alexander is yellow. Please like and subscribe my channel. Hands and legs light pink. Blue. Good job. See you to next video.